First, we must give appreciation to our Father. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Alhamdulillah. Rebella Alamin. Rahman Rahim. Maliki Yamadin. Yakan the Buddha with Yakan Nastin. Adini Saratol Mustaqim. Saratol Athena. Amta. Alayhim. Gabriel Maidubi. Alayhim. Wale Dolin. In the name of God, most gracious, most merciful. All praises be to our Father, most gracious, most merciful, Master of the day of judgment. Thee alone we serve. Thee alone we seek for help. Guide us on the straight path, the path of those on which thou hast bestowed thy favor, not of those upon which thy wrath come down, nor those who goes astray. How we doing out there, good people? People, children of the Most High God. All right, we still on physical evidence. See, this is what tampering with the Word of God brings. We do not, by no means, tamper with the Word of God. Okay, now we doing 13 and 14. Part 13 and 14. We still on Appendix 24. Physical evidence. Tampering with the Word of God. 29. Abbreviated. It reads, since Surah 9 is odd numbered and its number of verses is also odd, let us look at all the odd numbers surahs whose numbers of verses is also odd. This gives us 27 surahs, 1, 9, 11, 13, 15. 17, 25, 27, 29, 33, 35, 39, 43, 45, 57, 63, 81, 87, 91, 93, 97. When I say comma, I'm talking about the little abbreviation mark. 101, 103, 105, 107, 11, and 113. They consist of 7, 127, 123, 43, 99, 111, 77, 93, 69, 73, 45, 75, 89, 37, 29, 11, 29, 19, 15, 11, 5, 11, 3, 5, 7, 5, and 5 verses. Respectively, I'm going to spell that. Respectivery. The sums of these surah numbers plus their sum of verses. Number is 127, 74, 19 times 146. If we take the wrong number of verses for Surah 9, etc., 129, this multiple disappears. Now I'm on 30, abbreviated. The the correct number of verses in Surah 9 is 127. That is the correct verses in Surah 9. 127. Just 127 verses, not 28 and 29. That is false. All this is a prime number. It is not divisible by any number except 1 and itself. Let us look at all the surahs who divisible by any number except 1 and itself. Wait a minute, y'all. I got to go back. I'm going to go right here. It is not divided by any number except 1 and itself. Let us look at all the surah whose number of verses is a prime number. These are Surah 1, 9, Surah 13, 33, 43, 45, 57, 63, 81, 87, 93, 97, 101, 301, 101, 103, 105, 107, 111, that's 111, and 113. The number of verses in these surahs are 7, 127, 43, 73, 89, 37, 29, 11, 29, 19, 11, 5, 11, 3, 5, 7, 5, and 5 respectively. If you add the digit of these surahs, you get 137, while the digit of the verse added up to 129, this makes the grand total of all the digits 137 plus 129 equals 266, equals 19 times 14. 31. I'm going to spell this. The DISTORTERS added 2 false verses to Surah 9, and this caused the surah to have 129 verses. Since 129 consists of 3 digits and is divisible by 3, let us look at the surah whose number of verses is divided by 3 and consists of 3 digits. The total of these surah numbers is 71, and the total number of verses is 765. This produced a grand total of 771 plus 765 equals 836, or 19 times 44. 19 times 44. The digits are shown in table 16. Okay, we'll go back and get that. If Surah 9 had 129 verses, it would have been included in this table and would table 17 all the surahs that have destroyed this phenomenon consists table 17 all the surahs that consist of 129 verses or more. It would have been included in this table and would have destroyed this phenomenon. If Surah 9 consists of 129 verses, as the falsifiers would like us to believe, this let us look at all the surah which consists of 129 verses or more. There are 8 such surahs. Their data DATA are shown in table 17. We're going to go back and get that. If Surah 9 consists of 129 verses, the total number of verses would have been 1577 plus 129 equals 1706, not a multiple of 19. Number 127, 128 and 129 have two digits in common, 1 and 2. Let us consider all the surahs whose number of verses contain the digit 1 and 2 by adding the surah number plus the number of verses. We get 1159, 19 times 61. See table 18. Okay. All right. We're finna go back and do this table. Then we're going to start 14. Okay. Table 15. Multiple coding. The mathematical coding of all surah consists of 127 verses or less. Surah number got a line up on it. Next to that, it got number of verses, got a line up on it. Next to that, got total, got a line up on it. So let's go get it. Surah number 1, number of verses 7, total 8. Surah number 5, number of verses 129, total 125. Surah number 8, surah number of verses 75, total 83. Surah number 9, number of verses 127, total 136. Surah number 113, number of verses 5, total 118. Surah number 14, got a line up on it and a number. Surah number 6, got a line up on it and a number. Total 120, got a line up on it and a number. Now we finna get the number. Surah number 1436, up under the line. Number of verses 4529, up under the line. Total 10963, up under the line. Abbreviation 19 times 577. All praise be to our Father. All praise be to our Father. Table 16 and 5. No, table 16. All surahs whose number of verses is 3 digits and is divisible by 3. Got surah, got a line up on it. Number of verses, got a line up on it. Total, got a line up on it. This now we're doing table 16. Surah 5, number of verses 120. Total 125. Surah 6, number of verses 165. Total 171. Surah 11, number of verses 123. Total 134. Surah 12, number of verses 111. Total 123. Surah 17, number of verses 111. Total 128. Surah number 20, number of verses 135. Total 155. Okay, now up on the surah, we got 20, we got a line. Up on the number of verses, 135, we got a line. Total, we got a line. Let's look at the numbers under the line. Surah 71, number of verses 765. Total 836. Abbreviated 19 times 44. Okay, now we're going down to table 17. All the surahs that consists of 129 verses or more. Surah number, got a line. Number of verses, got a line. Surah number 2, number of verses, 286. Surah number 3, number of verses, 200. Surah number 4, number of verses, 176. Surah number 6, number of verses, 165. Surah number 7, 206. Surah number 20, 135. Surah number 26, 227. Surah number 37, 182. 182 has a line. Number up under that, 1577. Abbreviation, 19 times 83. Okay, this is 13, part 13. Brothers and sisters, I love you. Let's have a good day.